What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be important like the others, and we're going to look at a different view of total 2, total 3, and total market cap and Bitcoin with the RSI. Okay, so the RSI is telling us a lot of things, so make sure to watch the whole thing and you're gonna hopefully learn something about this movement that we are seeing for the whole crypto market. Okay, all right, so let's start with total 3 first. Total 3 is the market cap I mentioned in the last video, but for the new viewers, make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. We're reviewing a lot of things in here, so hopefully you guys can decide based on what you learn, and these are all just for education. None of these are financial advice. Okay, so total 3 is the total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. Okay, total 2 is total market cap excluding only BTC, so Ethereum is also in this chart, right? And this is also the total market cap in general, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the altcoins, okay? And this one, we're gonna look at Bitcoin's movement and how it looks with the RSI. So if we start with total 3, which is excluding BTC and Ethereum, I said that we've got to a really good support as long as we are holding around this area, because we had broken above this level, we had a little bit of consolidation and we went just sideways. I mean, it depends on how you look at it. It's not sideways. It went rally up, then down. And finally, we are back on top of this level. We had a sharp going down. So a lot of money got out of market, but it went back up again, right? So what it's telling us is we are still holding around this area. And if you look at the RSI down below here, I'm going to make it bigger. If you want to go review and like look at every time we see bull in here, we had going we saw the price going higher, okay? And we haven't still seen a bull here, a bull sign for us. In here it was bear, so if you sold it up here, whatever you had, it depends on what you were holding, because some of the coins are still holding pretty strong, but the other ones just lost in price a lot. Okay, so if you look at this point right here, we got the bull sign and we started going higher, and in here we got a lot of bear signs, so we got to started going back down. But in here, although we still went higher, we never got a bull sign in here, right? So but when we look at the lowest point in here, this lowest line, every time we go close to it, we start seeing that price starts going higher, or in this case, total 3 market cap is gonna go higher to me. But we need to make sure that we are seeing that if this level holds, right? Same for here. We are at the lowest point and we are holding the support for total 2. Total 2 was excluding BTC. So Ethereum and altcoins are in here, okay? So this is the chart you're looking at. We are still holding around this area. So we might still go just sideways. And as soon as I see the bull, I will get into more altcoins. I am getting into more altcoins anyways, because I see a lot of discount. You don't have to do it. But for now, I am seeing a good support for our market cap. Okay, and if it holds, that means that more money is going to probably get into the market. Okay, it doesn't have to be only BTC, but we're looking at everything separately, because I still see that Bitcoin, if we look at Bitcoin's chart right now, this is the weekly chart. We see for the weekly, let me go to daily first. If you look at the daily, we see that the same as the market caps, we are at the lowest point, right? But if you look at the weekly, it doesn't really look that bullish, but we are seeing a little bit of support because we started going higher from here. So we can still go back up to almost 69. If you look at this number on the side, we can still go to 69 and retouch this higher line, because after we had this bull run in here, we started going higher and got exactly rejected from this point. So these lines are very important to look at, okay? And so there is a possibility that we either go sideways, so this RSI starts going higher, because it doesn't have to always the price go higher and the RSI starts following. We might still go sideways and the RSI starts going higher, or we can just start going a little bit higher and consolidate, and RSI goes to a higher level and get rejected and it start going lower. Okay, so I'm not saying that we have to go back to retouch this line one more time, but that's what I'm expecting, because you guys know that I was not expecting this price action from Bitcoin, at least before the halving. Okay, so right now I am expecting a little bit of bullishness coming for altcoins and Bitcoin, especially altcoins, because Bitcoin doesn't really look that bullish. In my previous post on YouTube, I posted that I am expecting Bitcoin to go back at least to $50,000. Okay, that will probably get the money out of Bitcoin, and if we consolidate around that area, I am expecting to altcoins to start rallying. Okay, so right now there is a good point to get in for me. Okay, and so, but I'm not putting all in. There's no way I am gonna put all in here, because we do not see bullishness that much for Bitcoin, because we know that in the last bull market, after we started going higher from all-time high pretty strong, that was the real bull market that we were looking at. But in here, although we could broke above all-time high of last cycle, and we've been just going sideways for a while, it does not really look that bullish to me to get all in. Okay, I'm just a little bit buying a little bit of different coins here and there, and I've been sharing them with my members. So these are really good opportunities for us if we want to look at the long term. But for short term, we can still see blood in the market. Not probably in a couple of months. Okay, so far, this is just for you guys to look at the RSI and see that it is showing a little bit of bullishness for us, because every time we get around this lowest point, we see bullishness and price starts going higher. So let's see what's going to happen. This level shouldn't be lost for any of them. And you guys see the similarities for total 2, total 3, and total market cap in general. But Bitcoin is still, if you look at the daily, okay, if you look at the daily, we see that we are kind of far from the similarity that we have. Every single one has touched around this level. Okay, I hope it's not that small. You guys see that we have touch for total market cap, total 2 market cap, and total 3 market cap. Okay, we've got to this level and got the support. But for Bitcoin, I do not see that. Still, we got support from a little bit higher. I expected to 53 to be touched, but it's still, if you want to really look at the TA of it, we should still touch almost around this area. So that will be almost $51,000. Okay, so I'm expecting a little bit going lower, and it starts consolidating around this area and it start going higher. Okay, this is just another video for you guys. If you appreciate this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, support the channel with your likes, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.